Today I'm showing you the new airplane mode strategy for Monopoly Plus. Let's dive in. Grab a notebook or use your PC to jot down numbers. You'll also need a pencil. For iPhone users, activate airplane mode. Android users should clear the cache before starting. Turn on airplane mode and roll the dice. Write down every result you get until you can no longer roll or need an internet connection. As you roll, note down each number. For example, write down 7, 6, 8, etc. If the game resets, make sure to delete the game data while still in airplane mode to avoid losing your dice results. Once you're back in the game, you don't need airplane mode. Use the numbers you recorded to make informed decisions. For example, if you need a specific number to achieve your goal, roll the dice accordingly. Focus on rolling the numbers you need. For instance, if you want a 6 but get a 7, you can adjust by rolling again or selecting a different number to hit your target. After making your move, close and reopen the game to save your progress. Repeat the process as needed. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.